Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Lucky Kazungi, a passionate environmentalist, and today I'm touring the good part of Ganze sub-county, Mbaoni village, Mwapula sub-location, and it's amazing. So this is how this area is. And as you can see, these are low rocks that were naturally occurring, and just amazing, just spectacular for ecotourism. So for those who would like to spend some times and run away from the nuisance of town, you can try and come over this place and enjoy the spectacular views. So let's get in deep in, hit the foot and the rocks to see what these rocks hold. So this is how they are in here. So this is how they are in here. So this is a river, and it goes into these rocks, which were spectacular, arranged by the creator of heavens and earth. So I'll try to capture almost everything that is available here, but unfortunately I'll not be able to capture everything because, as you know, everything is just spectacular. So those who like to conduct tours and just get places to relax, consider touring Mwapula. Yes, so yeah, in here, and so that is how it is in here. Just cool with the smell of nature. Yes, it looks exactly like Hell's Gate, but it's somewhere in Ganze sub-county. So this is how this place looks like. Hinda ni mase humbole kamar ama funa wena hige Mete hivyo umeenda uko je? Waenda huko si vini viatu. Yes, so this is how the rocks are. Spectacular areas for ecotourism and for just chilling out over the weekends to enjoy yourself. Just getting some adrenaline in my body because this area looks like it makes me feel worried, considering that the belief that we have that these areas usually have various and biodiversity, including snakes, and also sometimes there are areas of worship to the traditional African Giriama community. So that's how it is. I hope this video is going to help you somewhere, and you'll have a feeling like you are in Ganze. If you are new in my channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share. See you next time. Have a good day.